Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for ITI graduates. So they will be making the best use of it. So let us go into the video. It's an ordnance factory. So now they are. If you want to join Indian Army, you can use this website and apply for the job. And just click. I will provide the link in the description. Once you click the link, you will be directed here. And I also provide another link for the PDF for having a detailed study. So almost 36 field amelioration depot now release a recruitment. The applications are invited from Indian national for the following post, and pay scale is given side by side and specification, and it's purely for ITI. So kindly have a glance of it. So ITI people, if you match your if these vacancies match your profile, means you just apply for it by using the link provided in the description. So some age limit and age relaxation will be given to few category people, and the candidate have to forward the application properly sealed in an envelope to the address given below. An application for the post, that is you have to type whichever post you are applying, and last date of receipt of application is 21 days from date of publication of the advertisement. The crucial date of determining the age limit will be closing date of receipt of the application, and photocopy of all these documents with a self-attested copy has to be sent along with the application form, and also have one copy with your in your hand for during the offline interview. So first they will keep general intelligence and reasoning 25 questions 25 mark, then numerical aptitude 25 questions 25 mark, then general English 50 questions 50 mark, general awareness 50 questions 50 marks. So 2 hours examination will be there, and standard of the questions will be in matriculation and intermediate and graduation as applicable. So this is the date of advertisement, kindly make a note of it. And in application form you need to affix your passport size photograph and fill all your documents detail, and this is for office use, kindly leave it. And you need to fix your latest passport size photograph and fill also take whatever things or certificates required, take a Xerox copy and take along with you. Kindly follow all the instruction and act accordingly. If you like this video, means put a like and share the video to ITI graduates. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.